Hello, my name is Stefan from BEGLEC. We are doing a few brands like Briteq. Today I have for you the BTI Blizzard BSW1, which is our brand new IP beam spot wash moving head. It's 350 watts, only 22 kilos, outdoor with a 2 to 47 degrees zoom. It has a silent fan mode for theater applications. It has a CMY color wheel, and on top of that, 8+1 fixed colors. We have static gobos, we have rotating gobos, we have two combinable prisms, one linear and one circular. It has an optional wireless DMX receiver, and it has an NFC function for error codes and other information. If you want to have more information, you can always visit our website www.briteqlighting.com.